share this, Melly. It's an endearment for all of us. Because you know, when you love and you give love, you get love back in return. And we as a halal has been very blessed. Akua continues to bless us all the time. Like with these guys, they're a bomb. You know? And I'm blessed with all my beautiful haumana. You know, the kubo cannot exist without the haumana. And I always thank them for allowing me to be a kumo. Because if I didn't have them, I could not carry that role. But I'm blessed with beautiful haumana that spoil me to death. Like last night, bummers, but that's okay. We're all here. Yeah, we're all here. All of us, we were all at the same place. All of us.
It was good fun.
Yeah, we had good fun. Thank you, Akua. Okay, so now, thank you, we love you, each and every one of you. And we share that love with you. And we share with you now. Aloha aku.
Kena Ohul.